Rocket Money Account Login Guide. In order to log into Rocket Money bank account online, simply open your default web browser in a device. Search for Rocket Money bank account online login. Tap on the link that says Rocket Money Find and Cancel Subscription. Then you'll be taken to the main homepage of the Commonwealth Bank. In this homepage, tap on the login button on the top right side of the screen. You'll be presented with a login form. Enter your username in the username section and enter your password in the password section. Finally, tap on sign in button to log into your account. You can also find lots of links in this page. Some of them are need help, terms of uses, and privacy policy. Also, there are forgot username and forgot password options in the link format. You can tap on those to recover. And in this way, you can log into your Commonwealth. And in this way, you'll be able to log into your Rocket Money account online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.